Tornado! Duck and cover for your life!
Everyone, get away from the windows! The glass will shatter and kill you.
It is totally not daytime now. The cameraman is totally not shaking the camera. And there totally is a tornado out there and not sound effects. Oh shit.
I'm so scared. Someone help me!
Hey, it's okay. I've got you.
Thank you so much.
You're very welcome. Maybe we can have dinner after this tornado passes.
Dad, where are you?
Help, Daddy!
Dad, help!
Daddy!
Please, just keep me safe.
Dad!
Girl, get away from the window! What'd I tell you? Now they're both dead.